So we all know, right? So we will say run. So now we run, nothing will be there. So we'll say an np dot once of 3 comma 4, and we say run. Okay, it is giving you wrong. Why?
Array, sir. Array.
Should be specified in a tuple inside the function. Okay. So now it is coming. So from this, what will we understand? Automatic generation of arrays is also possible. So we'll say 4 comma 5. So now you observe here what is the difference between Anaconda editor and Jupyter one. Anaconda editor, you need to print everything, whereas in Jupyter you don't want to print anything. So basically, that data science people and all will prefer this because they don't want to print and all. They want it to print it very fast. Okay. So now we will see in NumPy how random will work. Okay. How random will work. Okay. Now see from NumPy dot random. Okay, we'll import one value called default RNG. Okay, so now we have this default RNG. Got it. Okay. The next, what we are going to do? So we'll say range RNG. Okay, RNG is equal to default RNG. Now we have kept a default RNG. We have loaded. What is the default RNG? We'll see. Okay. Now we have the data. We'll say values RNG values is equal to RNG dot. Now the problem is here automatic suggestions will not come like we have in the Anaconda editor. So you need to remember everything. So that's another problem we will face. So we will say values are this. Right. So we will say values. If we say values, all the values will print. All the values will print. So now my point is rather than that, what we will do, we will print only values up to 5. Values up to 5. Yes, values up to 5 came. So by default range it is. Okay. Default range values by default range. Now I want to find out the standard deviation. Okay, values of standard will say. So what will happen? Standard is equal to values dot SD. So if I do this, SD came, STD will came standard. So now this is the standard value we have. Okay, and we can do a filter values also, unfiltered size also. So now all this, what do you say? We can get. So we are saying that so this kind of numbers automatic generation is also possible. Okay, what we are trying to say is we can use a NumPy at random and a default range and a standard normal. Okay, so we can apply a binary operations also in this. So how can we do a binary operations is what we are going to see. How can we do, like we have values. Okay, so we'll say greater than -2 values, all greater than -2 values are there. How many? So now, is it all greater than -2 values? Yes, all are greater than -2 values. Super. Okay, so whether we'll ask it. So values less than equal to 2. So what it will come? What is the answer we are expecting? Okay, some are all are, okay, some are true. Okay, some are true, but some are false. Same way. Okay, so if I do, okay, so like this I can generate whatever the values I want. So I'll say size. So what is the value size? 1000 you have specified. So now answer should also be 1000. Yeah, answer is 1000. So like this, any kind of operation also I can do inside the values I'm going to say to you people. So we'll say values So we saw, right, greater than -2, -2, and values are values, yes. Okay, values less than -2, okay, greater than -2, we'll say greater than -2 and less than 2. If I print this, what will come? So we are not bitwise, it is not supported. Okay, what we will do? And we come to go previous values also. We were going with, when we are habituated with the Anaconda editor, this editor is very difficult because you will not know anything. You can't go previous values also, and we can come back and front also. That is another problem. Just I am showing we can use this editor also. We can go back to our normal editor only, but still I am showing you people. Why? Because yeah, this is what I was about to say. So I'll apply true and false, like truth table. We were showing, we have shown you differently. What I am saying, I can apply any kind of operations on my numpy array is on my point. You need to catch here. Clear? Is there any doubt here? Guys, is there any doubt?
Sir, it's not hearing clearly, sir.
Not hearing clearly, yeah. You are seeing, no, this is what we are saying, trying to say. Values, arrays we are generating, okay, whatever the random arrays we are generating. So what is my point here is, on a numpy array, I can do any kind of arithmetic operation is what the point here. From these slides, what do you want to understand here is, we want to generate any kind of arithmetic operation. We can perform any kind of arithmetic operation on the numpy array. Okay, that's the point. So we will shift on to another example. That is, we have already imported a numpy array. So we'll say A is equal to, okay, np dot array, okay, let's say 10 comma 20. Inside the another array, we'll keep another array, that is 30 comma 40. Okay, we have printed it. We have ran. Here we will keep, yes, we have an array of numpy array of 10, 20, 30. Okay, so what we will do? We will specify another array, B, which is 50, 60, 70, 80, and we'll specify B. Okay. Now, what I can do? A plus B. Can I do? Yes, I will be able to do. A minus B. Can I do? Yes, I will be able to do. A into B. Can I do? Yes, I will be able to do. A by B. Can I able to do? Yes, I will be able to do. Okay, now I want to print this numpy array in a horizontal stack format. So I'll say h stack, horizontal stack of A comma B. So what is the expected output? So it is a flattened array. Okay, it's not a flattened array, like it's like a array only, but in a horizontal way it came. In a horizontal way. Can I put this into vertical way? Yes, we can put this into vertical way. Stack of, we'll just reverse and see. B comma E. So if I do this, what it came? The same only it came, but a twist we done. B comma E. So I want to concat both. What do you say? np dot concatenate of a comma b. So now if I run this, so I have concatenated both the arrays. Okay. And I don't want any axis. I want to concat and make it as a flat array. I'll say concat and I'll specify axis is equal to no. So how this we will remember, sir, is next question some people will ask in our sessions. It is about practice. Okay, it's about practice on NumPy array. You do. Okay, without anything, we are getting. Clear? Are people clear in this particular part? What we have done until now?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So now, so the session will end in 1 minute. So please rejoin again.